Are you dancing to the music? So nice. Can I see it? Would you like it back? What about you? Can I see it? Would you like it back? Yeah?
Oh.
Oh, you're so lucky. Can you say, look at Mama, can you say, thank you, Auntie Stasia and Auntie Jess and Julian? Am I in your way? Can you say thank you? Say ta. Ta. Can you blow kisses? You kiss your friend Scout? Oh, you're gonna blow kisses? Thank you. Kiss your friend Scout. Kiss your new friend. Give him kisses. Tell him how happy you are to have him. Abby, can you blow kisses? Hello? You did not have a nap today, did you? Okay. Say bye.